Friends, good morning. My name is Shubham Guriwal, and as my today's topic is um, sorting techniques in Java. Okay. First, sorting algorithm. First of all, sorting algorithm. Sorting algorithm is the process of arranging the element of the array so they can be placed either the ascending and descending order. For order in an array, A equals to A1, A2, A3, and A4, and number of in AN. The array is called B ascending order elements and our array arranged like A1 less than greater than A2, A greater than A3, greater than A4, and then is and elements is ascending and descending order uh, arranging is a sorting algorithm. Second, the sorted is a ascending order will be given as uh, 2, 4, 5, 9, descending to ascending. The first one example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then small element is a first and largest element of last is a sorting algorithm and arranging ascending and descending order. Sorting algorithm the part first is bubble sort. It is the simplest sort method which performs sorting by rapidly moving the largest element to the highest index of the array. It comparing each element to the adjacent element and replace the accolade. Bucket sort. Second is the bucket sort. Bucket sort is also known as bin sort. It is work by distributing the element into the array, also called bucket. In these sorting algorithms, bucket are sorted individually by using different sorting algorithm. Okay, the comb sort. Comb sort is bucket sort is also known as bin sort. Comb sort. Comb sort in the advanced form of bubble sort. Bubble sort compare all the adjust value while comb sort remove all the uh, total values and small values the end of the list. Okay, counting sort. It is a sorting techniques based on the keys and objects are called according keys which are small integers. Continuous sort calculates the number of occurrence of objects and store its key values in a new array of form adding previous key elements and assign to object. Okay, heap sort. In heap sort mean heap or max in maintain form the array element depending upon the choice and the elements and sort by deleting unsort elements the heap. Okay, insertion sort. As a insertion is a suggests insertion sort each element of the two is a proper place. It way simple sort method is used and arrange the uh, deck card while playing a bridge. Okay, and then merge sort following divided and conquer approach in which the list is first divided into the set equal element and then each help of the list of sorted by using merge sort. The sorted list combined again to form a elementary sorted array. Okay, and it is all about of techniques of salting. Thank you friends, bye.